In this video, I will guide you that how you can go ahead and manually add a reminder on your document. Let's go to our transaction module for that. In transaction module, we have recently released our reminder feature, payment reminder to be specific. So payment reminder mainly works on your purchase and sales transaction. So how you can go ahead and create a reminder on any of the purchase order created earlier. This is one of the purchase order which have been created earlier. I will open this purchase order. Now, once I will open this purchase order, on your right hand side in the very top corner, there will be an option of other action. Click on this. Here you will get an option of reminder. Once you click on reminder, it will ask you to set delivery reminder. As because this purchase order was created earlier, so that is the reason reminder is not available in this. Click on this set delivery reminder. Now the delivery date will be fetched from when you wish to go ahead and start the reminder. You can select that. You can select the recipient email as well to whom the reminder should be sent. Now, here you can click here to change the reminder setting, like exactly when you wish to go ahead and start the reminder and such like that thing. So this is how you can go ahead and create a reminder. Once you will click on save, this reminder for this PO will get created. You can pause this reminder, you can delete this reminder as well in TranZact. I hope it helped you out. Have a good day ahead.